Hey there, it's Ginger Bell, and today I'm here with a very special friend of mine, Marshall Sparkman, and we have some very exciting news for you that will help you to educate veterans and real estate agents on the VA home loans. So Marshall and I have come together to write one of my planners. And so Marshall, first of all, I'm excited to work with you on this. And I want to thank you for your service, and I want to thank you for your commitment to educating. And so tell me, as far as putting this planner together, why is it important to educate on the VA home loan?
It's so exciting. I feel like I'm still in uniform, being able to serve my fellow brothers and sisters in arms. And the goal here is really, we just want to educate. We want to educate all the veterans on what they need to know about VA loans. And not only veterans, we also need to be educating real estate agents so that they understand how they can better serve our veteran community and just cut out, there's so many misconceptions with the VA loan that we're trying to cut through and, be able to help more people and help more people as an industry and coming together like this is exactly what we need to be doing.
I love it. So stay tuned. It's going to be launching in February this month, and you can find out more about it at VA Home Loan Video Planner or VA Video Planner, or you can go to my website, edumarketing.com. So Marshall, I'm excited to really make a difference.
Yes, me too.